At Gears Unlimited, we're focused on car and truck differentials and drivelines. That's our area of expertise. One of the most common and potentially complicated questions we get is what gear ratio exactly is best for my vehicle? To help you answer that, we'd like to introduce our professional gear ratio analysis tool available at gearsunlimited.net. Hey, guessing could be expensive and not to mention time-consuming, so don't. Use our Pro Differential Gear and Analysis tool instead. You can input all the variables in one place, run the calculations automatically, and vastly improve your chances of getting it right the first time. The areas of application are practically unlimited, including street cars, sport trucks, work trucks, Jeep and off-road vehicles, circle track race cars, street strip cars and trucks, and of course dedicated 8 and quarter-mile drag racers. The Gears Unlimited Pro Ratio Analysis tool starts by placing an extensive database of differential and transmission information right at your fingertips, including a detailed list of domestic car and truck transmissions, manual or automatic, with all the gears, 2 through 10 speeds, including ratios for each individual gear. A broad list of differential assemblies organized by manufacturer, category, and type are provided, including all the ratios commonly available for each type of differential. The analysis tool allows you to build a realistic driveline model with the ability to change variables like ratios, tire sizes, and vehicle speed parameters, and then analyze and print the results for future and current combinations you have in mind. Let's take a quick tour. The current vehicle configuration window sits at the top, and this is the starting point, and it's where you'll build the model that you want to test. It's always visible above the row of tools and analysis screens, which will open individually as needed from the toolbar. The toolbar gives you access to both analysis of the current or model vehicle and help screens, starting with the tire and gear analysis tool at the left, followed by additional tools and analysis, including a differential ID guide, a shift points analysis screen, a tire calculator, and screens to set up both a custom transmission and a custom differential database in case you have an application that's not already included. There's more to learn, and we're planning on some tutorial videos to help you get the full benefit of our new ratio analysis tool. But until then, thanks for watching. Feel free to take a moment to check it out, and if you have any questions about it or you need help figuring out what you need to move forward with your project, give us a call during the week at 816-353-4003 or drop us a note anytime from the Contact Us form on our website at www.gearsunlimited.net. Bye for now.